To pass your G1 written test on the first try, you need to be well prepared. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. To join the line, scan the QR code or follow the link in the description. Please note, this is not an appointment for a specific date or time. It's a live electronic queue, which means you don't have to physically wait at the DriveTest Center the whole time. About 15 minutes before your turn, you'll receive an SMS like this. Then you'll go to the registration desk. Don't forget your documents. Next, you'll take a quick vision test right there. So make sure to review the English alphabet and numbers in advance. Under stress, many people confuse letters like Y and W or G and J. But you've got this. And don't forget to choose the language you want to take the test in. After that, you'll go straight to the written test. Don't delay. If you wait around, you might lose your spot and spend the whole day there. Turn off your phone during the test, or you could be removed from the exam room. In the test room, you'll see 2 languages on the computer, English and your native language. There's no time limit, so take your time. Breathe. Read each question carefully, even more than once. Many people mix up 0.08% and 0.8%, so pay close attention. Sometimes the translation of a road sign in your native language might not be clear. Switch to English to double check. And beware of trick questions. The correct answer is often the one that includes all the listed options. Let's practice together and get you ready. You know what? You're gonna pass that test. You're just gonna walk in and do it, 'cause you're awesome, bro.